What's the meaning of breakaway? Breakaway. Breakaway.
Breakaway. Breakaway. The term breakaway refers to a situation where one group or entity separates itself from another in order to become independent. It is often used in the context of politics, business, and sports. The result of a breakaway can vary depending on the circumstances. In some cases, it can lead to positive outcomes such as increased autonomy and growth opportunities. However, breakaways can also have negative consequences such as loss of resources and market share, and can create tensions between the separating parties. Ultimately, the success or failure of a breakaway depends on a variety of factors such as the strength of the separating entity's leadership, financial resources, and public support.